As part of its strategic alignment, the Industrial Development Corporation has embarked on a long-term sustainability plan to prioritize effective development, financial sustainability, client and people centricity. The strategic review has resulted in a refocused business model and strategic priorities with a revised operating model and organizational design. The IDC continues to implement its strategy within selected sectors to develop and expand industrial capacity, create and preserve jobs, and drive transformation and spatial equity. To address the continent's energy needs, we are focusing on the clean energy solutions industry with a specific focus on the energy storage value chain. Our objective is to establish South Africa as a major player in the global energy storage industry. Thus, we are pursuing opportunities in renewable energy generation, including electricity generation by companies for their own use. On the technology front, we are supporting Fourth Industrial Revolution-enabled industries with a specific focus on the data analytics industry. We continue to engage with various industry and government forums dealing with the Fourth Industrial Revolution to increase South Africa's adoption of these new technologies. One of the beneficiaries of our funding is Data Profit, a company that uses machine learning technology to assist manufacturing enterprises reduce and eliminate defects and scrap rates in their processes. The Cape Town-based company develops unique software products that optimize manufacturing processes to reduce defects. In Stellenbosch, we have funded Mellow Cabs, a local manufacturer of South African-designed and developed light electric vehicles, a market with the potential to create new opportunities for local business worldwide. The investment has positioned Mellow Cabs in this high-growth sector as a local equipment manufacturer for the electric vehicle market with export potential to Europe, India, and the USA. All Mellow Cabs vehicles will be produced locally with some imported components. Final assembly and component manufacturing will be in-house to ensure reliable vehicles that benefit from continuous research and development. In the Free State, the IDC funded Kiwali Chemicals. The company manufactures, distributes, and markets detergents, disinfectants, and water treatment and adhesives. The whole plant has been built with IDC funding. In Limpopo, Blueberries established 17.5 hectares of blueberry plantations at its own cost. The company required additional funding for the completion of the development, which included funding to bring the existing plant to bearing stage, building the pack house, and procuring farming equipment. The IDC's funding for the project enabled the growth and continues to bear fruit for surrounding communities by delivering accessible jobs to the people of Tzaneen. In Mahikeng, Khatelebeli, an IDC-funded wellness center, assists patients with mental illness. This is the brainchild of 3 Mahikeng-based psychologists. The 32-beds facility, with 35 employees, works with patients from Mahikeng, Rustenburg, and surrounding areas. It caters for subacute illnesses, recovery and rehabilitation, chronic and palliative care, as well as psychiatric conditions that require hospitalization, with the growing workforce which mostly consists of female employees. The much-needed clinic is bringing new opportunities to the region. A group of female farmers from rural Umsinga in KwaZulu-Natal approached the corporation for assistance with setting up their own bakery. The IDC ensured the sustainability of the startup business by providing the farmers with an expert to assist with the feasibility study of their business proposal, which is now established and fully operational. Gogogo Green Bakeries now supplies fresh bread to members of the surrounding communities at affordable prices. The 2 bakeries currently employ 14 women and 6 young men with potential for much more. We believe that businesses must take responsibility for the impact of their activities on people and the environment. As an institutional investor, we follow an ethical investment approach in which we use our investment to bring about positive social and environmental changes. The Industrial Development Corporation, your partner in development finance.